Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today, we have something essential for all you Mac users: the SiliconV MacBook Air charger replacement. Let's dive right in and explore how this charger can be a lifesaver for your MacBook Air. Say goodbye to those low battery worries and frustrating charging issues with the SiliconV MacBook Air charger replacement. This isn't just any charger. It's designed with precision to meet the needs of your MacBook Air. Alright, let's talk tech specs. This charger accepts an input voltage of AC 100 to 240 volts at 1.5A and operates at a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. The output is a stable District of Columbia 14.85 volts at 3.05A, perfect for your MacBook Air. Wondering if it's compatible with your MacBook Air? If you own a MacBook Air 11 inches or 13.3, released after 2012 with model numbers A1435, A1465, or A1466, you're in luck. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including MD223, MD224, MD231, MD232, MD711, MD712, MD760, Maryland 761, MJVM2, MJVP2, MJVE2, MJVG2, MQD32, MQD42, MQD52. Ever been unsure if your MacBook is charging? With SiliconV, you'll always know. It features LED lights, amber for charging and green to signify a full charge. It's all about keeping you informed. Safety first. SiliconV's charger includes an intelligent recognition chip. When your MacBook's battery is full, it automatically cuts off the power supply, preventing overcharging. It's smart and protected. We all appreciate a durable cable, right? SiliconV gets that. They've used a high-quality tinned copper core wire, ensuring your charger can handle twists and bends. Plus, the T-tip magnetic connector guides the plug securely into place. SiliconV's T-tip 5-pin 45W MacBook Air charger is a game-changer. It automatically adsorbs, providing a strong connection. No more fumbling around, just plug and go. It's convenient and efficient. What's more, SiliconV has your back. Their customer service is available 24/7 to address any issues or questions you might have about your charger. You're never alone in case of a problem. So, there you have it, folks. The SiliconV MacBook Air charger replacement, designed with your MacBook Air's needs in mind. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Have any thoughts or experiences with this charger? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep your MacBook Air charged and ready with SiliconV.